Everybody, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Trainer as well as the Cisco Networking Specialist at the Indian Cyber Security Solutions, and these are my contact information for LinkedIn and Twitter. Before starting, I'd like to tell you that please like our channel if you like this channel in YouTube, and if you really love these videos, then please subscribe our channel in YouTube. And now I'm going to start our topic for today. That is the OSPF NSSA, that is not so stubby area. So NSSA means a not so stubby area. The not so stubby area also doesn't allow the type 5 LSA as a stubby area. But what is the difference between not so stubby area and stub area? The stub area only doesn't allow the type 5 LSA. Not so stub area, yes, it doesn't allow the type 5 LSA, but there is a difference. The NSSA ABR can convert the type 5 external LSA into the type 7 LSA and can inject into an NSSA area. So the type 5 external LSA is blocked, but I can inject the type 5 LSA if I'm the ABR by converting it into some other type, say type 7. So this is an example of NSSA area. Now see, there is an external ACE. Maybe it is an AIGRP, ACE external LS. It is injecting the type 5 external LSA into the ASPR autonomous system boundary router, and it is injecting into the area 0 as well, but the area 2 is configured as a not so stub area. So that external type 5 LSA cannot enter the area 2. So what is the solution? The solution can be that the ABR can convert the LSA type 5, the external type 5 LSA into type 7 and can inject it to the not so stub area. So that is the difference between the stub area and the not so stub area. Now that I've already discussed with you, the ASPR injects type 5 external LSA from AIGRP or from any other AS in area 0, but the ABR converts the type 5 LSA into type 7 LSA and sends to area 2, because area 2 is configured as not so stub area. So it cannot receive the area type 5 LSA directly, so the area type 7 LSA can be received by the NSSA. How to configure the NSSA? Area 2 NSSA command needs to be configured on routers in the area. And very important, default information originate. This command should be configured on ABR to inject the type 7 LSA, the default route. Otherwise, the default route will not be injected as the type 7 LSA. And now I have a question for you, a small trivia for you. Can you tell me what is the difference between the stub area and the not so stub area? And if you give correct answers, the first 10 correct answers will give 20% discount, up to 20% discount in our course in ICSS. So give answers quickly as soon as possible. And now I'm going to show you this NSSA configuration in practical using GNS3 simulator. This is our topology. So R1 is configured as AIGRP as the previous video, and here the R2 is ASPR and R3 is ABR. So previously we configured as a stub area in this R4, the area 2 was the stub area. Now it would be configured as the not so stubby area. So how to do it? Go to R3. See, in R3 we have the external LSS as the AIGRP route is injecting the type 5 LSS, and also the R4 also we have the type 5 LSS. Now you go to the R3, that is ABR, area border router, and you go to router F10 and area 2 and NSSA, and also area 2 NSSA default information origin. So that is very important. And also on R4, area to NSSA. So the router OSPF processor will be reset, and with the command show attribute OSPF will come shortly. Yes, it has come, but see, a default root has come and it is showing as N2 root. What is N2 root? This is the OSPF NSSA external type 2 root. So this is not the type 5 LSA, this is the NSSA external type 2 root. So let's check the IP OSPF database. And see, we have a type 7 external LSA here. That is the default 0000 attached by 3001, none other than the API. So we do not have the type 5 LSA, but we have a type 7 LSA here. So that's it for the NSSA. And I'm going to repeat the question once again. I asked what is the difference between the stub area and the not so stub area, and the first 10 correct entries will get up to 20% discount in our course in ICSS. So just give correct answers quickly as soon as possible. So that's it for now. And as previous, I would like to tell you once again, if you like this channel on YouTube, please like it and click the like button. If you love the videos, if you have enjoyed the videos, please subscribe our channel in YouTube. So that's for today as far the OSPF NSS is concerned, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope it was informative for you, and on some other day I'll come with some other topic. For now, it's goodbye.